New day, new adventure. Today, just because I feel like it, let's do as many miles I can. Mile 1. Mile 2. Let's do it. Woo. 3rd mile, let's go. 4th mile, feeling good. I'm surprised. I was thinking I'll feel tired until now, but doing good, doing well, doing good, well, good, whatever. Mile 5. 6th mile. Looks like I will do almost half a marathon, but let's see. 7th mile. And one hint, if you would like to do as many miles you can, hide your watch and just feel it like beep in this next mile, you know. I'm trying to take a look during my run. Yeah, some hints. Whew. 9 mile. I feel it now, but I'm almost done. Let's do it. All set. 1 hour and 42 minutes. 9.45 miles. Almost half a marathon. But yeah, feeling good. Let's have a good day and see you soon.